Welcome to Olathe, where homeowners cherish the beauty and integrity of their properties. Clogged gutters can lead to significant water damage and unwanted pests. That's where gutter covers come in. With years of expertise, we offer superior solutions to keep your gutters clear and functional. Our premier product ensures your gutters remain free-flowing and clog-free all year round, preventing leaks and expensive repairs. In Olathe, countless homes experience gutter-related issues annually. Don't let yours be one of them. Gutter covers effectively block debris from entering your gutters, allowing water to flow smoothly away from your home. This protects your home from water damage while enhancing its curb appeal and value. Ready to safeguard your gutters? Contact us today. Reach out to the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your trusted partner in protecting your home. Call now and see the difference for yourself. Don't wait for problems to arise. Secure your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.